This place, in the heart of Pattaya, holds a remarkable vision. What you are watching right now is the beginning of something truly extraordinary. Across nearly 10,000 square meters of land, Zenith Pattaya is coming to life, Pattaya's first wellness residence of its kind. It is March 2026, and construction has just begun. Heavy machinery is leveling the ground. Drilling rigs are reaching deep into the earth. Skilled hands are shaping steel reinforcement that will form the backbone of everything that follows. From above, you can see the full scale of what is being built, the carefully organized site, the materials laid out with precision, the concrete mixer trucks arriving one by one, each delivering the raw material of the future. Down on the ground, workers bend and bind steel bar by bar, assembling the reinforcement cages that will be lowered deep into the earth, locking this project to the ground beneath it forever. Every borehole, every reinforcement cage, every pour of concrete, each one a precise and deliberate step towards something greater. A new standard of luxury living rising from this very ground. What you see today, the dust, the steel, the relentless work under the tropical sun, this is where it all begins. Zenith Pattaya. The foundation is being laid today, deep beneath this ground, strong enough to carry every dream that comes with it. Where others see dust and steel, we see the future taking shape. Every pillar driven into this earth is a promise of elegance, of well-being, of a life lived differently. This is only the beginning. The story has just begun. Start your plan B now. www.THAI-investproperty.com